Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you Max how to talk about yourself in a simple and fun way.
Wait, Rhea. Talk about myself? That's dangerous. What if people find out I eat 5 samosas in one sitting?
Max, that's exactly the point. You tell about yourself, name, place, what you do, what you like, and but maybe skip the samosa count.
Okay, but if I skip that, then 50% of my life is gone.
Don't worry, we'll keep the funny parts. Now listen, step 1. Always start with your name. Simple.
My name is Batman.
Max, be serious. People will expect you to fight crime.
Okay. My name is Max. Phew. Step 1 done.
Good. Step 2. Say, where are you from? Like I'm from India.
Can I say I'm from Jupiter? That sounds cooler.
You can, but then people will ask you for your spaceship keys.
Fine. I'm Max. I'm from India. See? I'm learning.
Exactly. Step 3. What do you do? Study, work, or something else?
Should I say I work hard at avoiding homework?
That's honest, but dangerous. Just say I'm a student.
Okay, I'm Max, I'm from India, and I'm a student.
Sounds great. Perfect. Now step 4. Say your likes and dislikes.
I like food. I dislike sharing food.
That's most relatable intro ever. Everyone's going to agree with you.
Exactly. Even my dog doesn't share food with me.
That's funny. Poor Max. Okay, last step. Add a funny fact about yourself. Something small and silly.
Oh, I've got one. Sometimes I sing in the shower, and even my shampoo tries to escape.
Yes, that's perfect. People will remember you for that.
Okay, let me try the full intro. Hi, I'm Max. I'm from India. I'm a student. I like food, but I don't like sharing food. And my funny fact is, I sing in the shower and scare my shampoo.
Clapping and amazing. That's funny, clear and short.
Wow, Rhea, this is actually easy. Why didn't anyone teach me this before?
Because they don't have a teacher, special teacher like me.
True. From now on, I'll introduce myself everywhere, even to my mirror.
But be careful. If the mirror answers back, then run.
Okay. Thanks, Rhea. Now I can finally talk about myself without sounding boring.
Good. And remember, everyone, talking about yourself doesn't have to be scary. Just keep it simple and keep it true and add a little fun.
And don't forget the samosas. Bye, everyone. And remember, if you hear singing in the shower, that's probably me.
Okay, Max, enough with the samosas. Bye, everyone. Thank you for today. And if you like this conversation, then please like this video and subscribe this channel and share it as much as you can. Thank you.
Absolutely, that sounds great. I'm sure it's going to be a fantastic video. Thanks for having me in the conversation, and best of luck with the recording. If you need anything else, just let me know.